of the strawberry bags. And this one I had to wait a while because I had to find these, because the person that ordered wanted an adjustable strap, so I changed out the strap and had to add one of these, and also figure out how to use one of these. Yeah, because they wanted to wear it more like a crossbody bag, so the strap on it is a little thinner than my usual strap. Yeah, that's my usual strap. You can see it's quite thick, but I couldn't find a piece like this thick enough for that, so I had to make it a little thinner, but it works anyway. So I've got that one to pack up, and then my last two of the ice cream bags have sold as well, so I have to pack them up. So I'm about to go and do some printing, and here's all the fabrics I've cut out. Let me put you this way. So I have this one, which I think I showed you in my fabric haul, and then this one as well actually. So these are all going to be little mini pleated skirts, and I'm just going to add some prints to them. And then I have this kind of moire fabric, this heavier fabric, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that prints up. So I'm going to go in and just kind of get back into the role of doing some printing. I also then just have some extra fabrics that I'm going to kind of sample on and see how they look, see how they print up. I've got some like camo here, which is quite fun. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. We're going to go and do some printing. So yeah, let's go. So I'm at my print studio now, and I've just laid out all of the pieces of the skirts that I'm making. So what I like to do is kind of get my space organized. I'm going to mix up this color, which is like with a neon pink and a bit of white, so it's a little bit more pastel. And I'm going to print this onto all of my skirts. I've got all my screens there, so I'm just kind of making up as I go. I do a lot more placement printing, so it's not really repeat, it's more like I'll just put it on top of the fabric and print there and then. And probably my least favorite thing about screen printing is the amount of washing that you have to do. So I'm just kind of washing the color off my screens. You can't really leave it on for that long, especially with this kind of thicker opaque ink, because the screens can get blocked. So yeah, I have to do a lot of washing in between. So I'm just going to make my way through all of the pattern pieces, and then I will show you everything when it's finished. Okay, and here are all my pieces finished, so I kind of have them on a drying rack, and then I'm going to just run them through the kind of the heat tunnel to fix the print to the fabric so it's nice and dry, and that's what I do kind of at the end, and that's it. Hey, yeah, so yesterday I went printing for the first time in a while, which was great. It's so nice to be back kind of screen printing and bringing that into my work. I did lots of prints, and these are all going to be little mini skirts that I'm making. I have two made, actually. Let me grab them for you. I made two already, so there's one in a kind of a patchwork, and then this one I made from the prints yesterday when I got back from the print studio. I think it's really sweet. I'm going to add some more little stitches down there just to hold the pleats in place a little better. So yeah, I'm going to make a few of them. I think our video next week we'll spend doing that, and then we'll catch up next week making these skirts. And also I've been working on new prints because I've had these prints on my screens for so long, so I have new artwork that's going to come. Gonna try and hopefully do some painting over the weekend, get that done. Yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching again. I hope the quality has been okay. I'm on my iPhone at the moment. I still need to figure out what to do with my camera. It's pretty upsetting. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.